Welcome back to Plantopedia. If you're tired of waiting months to see a new leaf, this video is for you. You don't need years to grow an indoor jungle. Here are 5 fast-growing indoor plants that will transform your space in no time. First is the Heartleaf Filerendron. This trailing beauty is famous for its speed, often adding several inches of new vine every single month during the growing season. It's incredibly versatile. You can let it trail down from a high shelf or train it to climb a moss pole, which actually encourages the leaves to grow even larger. To maximize its growth, give it plenty of bright, indirect light and a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month. You'll be amazed at how quickly it reaches the floor. Next is the spider plant. While the main plant grows steadily, its real speed is in its ability to produce dozens of miniature versions of itself on long, arching stems. These spiderets grow incredibly fast. Once they develop small nubs at the bottom, you can snip them off and start a whole new plant in just a few weeks. It's a masterpiece of propagation. If you want a house full of plants quickly without spending a fortune, the spider plant is your best friend. If you want colour and speed, look no further than the Tradescantia zebrina, orange plant. It earned its name because it feels like it grows an inch every time you look at it. Its stunning purple and silver leaves spread quickly, making it an excellent filler plant for hanging baskets or bare corners. To keep it from getting too thin, pinch back the ends of the vines. This tells the plant to send energy back to the center, creating a much bushier, lush look. For those who want height, the weeping fig is a remarkably fast-growing indoor tree. Under the right conditions, it can gain over a foot of height in a single year. It loves consistency. Once you find a bright spot where it's happy, leave it there. It reacts to being moved by dropping leaves, but it will bounce back quickly once it settles. Regular pruning is the key here. By trimming the top, you can control its shape and encourage the trunk to thicken into a sturdy, bold focal point. Finally, we have the Monstera dellesiosa. This iconic tropical plant is a monster grower, quickly producing massive leaves with those signature splits and holes. A single healthy Monstera can easily take over a corner of a room within a year, if it has a sturdy support to climb on and plenty of light. Quick tip: wipe the large leaves with a damp cloth regularly. Removing dust allows the plant to breathe and soak up more sunlight, fueling its rapid expansion. At Plantopedia, we appreciate these high-energy species for their bold presence and their ability to bring a sense of movement to the home. By following these simple steps, you're not just growing a single plant, you're building a thriving, living masterpiece. Give your collection the care it deserves. This video is part of Plantopedia's Growing Plant Library on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.